In a bowl, take 200 grams of pistachios. Add hot water till pistachios are submerged and soak for 1 hour. Do not miss this step if you want bright green color to your pistachio butter. After 1 hour, remove the skin. See how easy it is? Next, we are going to sieve the soaked pistachios. See the color here? All this brown color would have gone to your pistachio butter. That is why it is important to soak them. Place the pistachios on a kitchen towel and rub them to remove the skin. See the bright green color of pistachios? This will give beautiful natural color to our butter without adding any food colors. Next, we are going to roast our pistachios in a preheated oven at 110 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. Once roasted, keep them aside to cool completely. Next, we are going to grind these in a jar as fine as you can. I am going to transfer to a clear jar. Add 56 grams of flavourless oil, 46 grams of fine sugar. Grind it further till it reaches a paste-like consistency. Once done, transfer to a clean airtight container. My home blender does not go any further than this, hence this thick texture. But if your grinder works well without overheating, then grind to a flow consistency. Do not worry, next week I am going to show you delicious eggless baked cheesecake with this very pistachio butter. Our pistachio butter is ready. Store in refrigerator. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I am Apurvi and this is where Eggless Baking always delivers.